Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we'll be discussing about how to apply for fully funded British Council Master Scholarship for the session 2026. This TESOL scholarship in UK is for foreign students. We'll show the full process for this. Before that, let me remind to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. Do also follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships. All the scholarship related updates are posted there, and the link for this fully funded scholarship in UK is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links will be given in the respective descriptions. Also in the about section of the YouTube, you can see all the links are given there. Our website fullscholarships.net, you can directly visit that, and on Instagram you can message our team and check out Instagram stories, ask for the link, they will send you there. Our website fullscholarships.net or cashmlook.com is the easiest way. And here are some details. It's a fully funded scholarship from the United Kingdom, and it's offered by the British Council. Deadline for this opportunity to apply is 30th of April 2026, and this will be the master scholarship that you need to apply. So there are multiple universities which are offering scholarship under this. So you should also be from one of the participating countries, and we'll show that. So this will be the tuition plus study visit costs, and the target countries are mentioned here. So after this, you can see the flexible learning and professional impact. So some courses might be conducted online, and so that you can save the costs. Then comprehensive financial benefits of this, and global network entry requirements. You can see residency applicants must be permanent resident of the following countries. Professional background is there, and academic standards, financial needs. So every detail is mentioned. Required documents for this: academic transcripts, degree certificate, language proficiency. Then the personal statement, reference letter, CV, and a passport. How do you apply? You have to apply for the MSc program through the official website, and next wait for the offer. And once you receive the offer, you can submit a scholarship form. That's it. Scroll down, and then you can see click here to apply. Click on this link to start the application. Now you can see the official MATESOL scholarship form. So this is from the University of Portsmouth, and you can see the details about the scholarship. And there are certain sections of the scholarship which are open to different. Like one university is offering from for Ghana, Kenya, and Turkey. One university is offering for India, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh, and like they have distributed the eligibility across the nations and across different universities, so that you apply to that university only. So in order to start application, you can see click on apply now here, and what is your status? I'm a permanent resident of this, so you have to agree to the terms and conditions here, and you have to agree to all the terms and conditions here. And then if my success application is successful, my yes, click on yes, agree terms and conditions, click on next. So for other universities, okay, you have to take this as well. Okay, now click on next. So then you have the personal information here. You mention your name, email, and what's your port submit application number. So if you apply to this university, you can mention the application number, and if you're not, you can apply first, then submit this. Then your gender, disability here, and in relation to the question to disability, and what's your nationality, you have to select here, and what's your permanent residence country, so you can mention that as well. So like this scholarship page is for these three countries, and other universities have different countries, so you have to select the one which is for you. Then is the education and professional background. So show row weight, so we'll show. Okay, now years, if you want to add, you can mention, else you can skip which of the following. So we'll skip this one here and click on next. If it is mandatory, then only we'll submit. You can see it's not mandatory. Did you receive any financial support? As of now, we have not. Did you work while studying for your qualifications? No, we are not. Parents university educated, you can mention yes, and if yes, provided later, you can say what is the highest qualification, and then click on next. If not, granted scholarship. So how do you study? You can mention I won't be joining unless scholarship is not provided. What do you think are the key challenges teachers of English in your country face, and what role could you play in tackling these? So you can mention uh, what's your plan. You can mention that here. Describe one professional development activity, and what do you think will be the biggest challenges? And after completing masters, what will be your goals? What do you think of studying in UK? Mention all the answers to these questions, maximum 200 words, 300 words, and then click on next. After that, language requirements. Do you meet language requirements? Mention yes. And if you are IELTS and TOEFL, you can mention that. Else, we can mention of instruction here, and then click on next. After that, there's a declaration, agree terms and conditions here, and now click on submit. So you can see uh, new submission added to British Council, and this you can see our form has been submitted. You will receive the email confirmation as well. It might take few seconds, but you have to wait. So let's go to spam section and see if it is in spam or not. As of now, it's not arrived yet, but in case you do not receive, you don't need to worry. Your application will be evaluated, and once it is evaluated, once the results are open, you can apply. Besides this, you can apply for this scholarship. You can see MSc. Let's directly click on this link here. It will take you to Google search here, and you can see MSc scholarships. We can mention here and click on this. So you can see Portsmouth, University College Dublin. You can see the different councils, different institutions offering the scholarship here. You can see. Let's click on this. So you can see the 2026, 2027. It's open, and this will be open for different countries. So okay, this is open to all countries. It's in the island, and likewise you can see how to apply. This is a form here. You can click on this, and you can submit this form via email. You can see tsol@ucd.ie. So you have to fill this form here, and submit it through email to this, which includes personal statement as well. So that's the process. Simply, you have to just search this type of MSc TESOL or MSc through British Council. Different scholarships will be shown listed on the Google. You choose any of the university which you are eligible to applying, and then only. So like Portsmouth was open to just few 3 countries, and you can apply to this. And you can see Asia, Africa, Europe, and different uh, countries are eligible to different universities, so they have distributed this. Likewise, you have to follow the same pattern and check one which is eligible, which you are eligible to. If you have any questions, ask us on directly our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanuk.com through contact section. And the best and the easiest way to reach is the comment section below. You can write there, or if you can't, we'll help you in the email section. And that's it for today. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.